Hey guys, this is George from ergonomictrends.com, and in this quick video, I'm going to be doing a squeak test on 3 different gaming chairs. Now, squeaking is a fairly common problem with gaming chairs, and especially in the lower end of the spectrum. Here I have 3 gaming chairs. All of them are less than 6 months old, and I'll be testing each one out to see if they squeak and how much so. So the first one I have here is the Under Seat Kaiser Edition. This is part of their big and tall, and I'm going to start by sitting down into the chair. I'm going to shuffle around. So far there's no sound at all. I'm going to recline and tilt the backrest. As you can see, so far there's absolutely no noise whatsoever. Recline, go back. I can push up against the backrest, and it's quiet. So the Kaiser Edition passes the squeak test 100%. There's absolutely no noise, no creaking, no squeaking, no any annoying sound that you could imagine. So yeah, this is a squeak free chair. The next one I'm gonna be testing out. This is the GTracing gaming chair. Now this is a much lower end chair in terms of the cost. This one at last check is about $150. Compared to the Under Seat, which is around $400. So let's see, I'm gonna sit in it first. Yeah, it's fairly quiet. If I move around, if you listen carefully, you can hear a little bit of a squeaking. And then I'm gonna start to tilt the backrest. And this is where you can really hear some of the noise. So you can hear some squeaking. If I come back up from the reclined position, you can also hear squeaking underneath at the edge of the bottom of the seat. Now I'm going to recline and then rock. Again, there's some squeaking. Come back up and some squeaking again. So the GTracing chair I found does squeak. It's not nearly as bad as some other budget gaming chairs, but if it does squeak, usually this will happen maybe a few weeks into owning the chair. So last, I'm going to test the AKRacing Core Series chair. I'm going to sit in it, shuffle around. It's quiet. I'm going to rock the backrest. Quiet. I'm going to recline and rock, and it's quiet. So what I found with the AKRacing Core Series is that this is a completely silent chair as well. And there's many reasons why a new gaming chair may squeak. 2 main reasons. One is the fitting of the bolts, if they're not completely well fitted in. The second would just be the materials used. So we have 3 gaming chairs here. 2 does not squeak, 1 squeaks. And the common denominator seems to be the cost. It seems that as you move up the cost, gaming chairs, in terms of the overall build quality, becomes a lot better. So naturally, the probability of them squeaking is a lot lower. The Under Seat Big and Tall, as I mentioned, costs around $400. The GTracing costs $150. Whereas the AKRacing Core Series, this one cost me around $320. So there's a huge price difference here, and in some ways you do get what you pay for. If squeaking is a big issue for you, my recommendation is to move up beyond the $200 range when you look for a gaming chair. Okay, again, this is George from ergonomictrends.com, and see you next time.